Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Cloudflare for SEO protection and performance, complete guide step by step clearly. Create an account on Cloudflare's website if you haven't already. Log into your Cloudflare account. Click on the Add a Site button on your dashboard. Enter your website's URL in the provided field. Cloudflare will begin scanning your domain's DNS records. Once the scan completes, review the DNS records for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to your DNS records. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Select a Cloudflare plan that suits your needs. For SEO protection and performance, the free plan is often sufficient. After selecting a plan, click on Confirm Plan. Cloudflare will then provide you with name servers. Take note of these name servers. Log into your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS settings or name server settings for your domain. Replace your current name servers with the Cloudflare name servers. Save your changes. Return to your Cloudflare dashboard. Click Done, check status to verify the name server update. It may take some time for the name server changes to propagate. Once verified, you will see a success message on Cloudflare. Navigate to the SSL/TLS settings in your Cloudflare dashboard. Select the desired SSL/TLS encryption mode for your site. For most users, full, strict, is recommended. Next, go to the firewall settings. Enable the web application firewall, if available on your plan. Create appropriate rules to protect your website from malicious traffic. Now, head to the speed settings. Enable auto-minify for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.